In the digital age, enterprises need to rapidly innovate not only to stay ahead, but simply to survive. Thus, accelerating innovation is more important than ever, and Amazon knows it well. What is the culture of innovation at AWS, and how does it relate to leadership principles? Giulia, the floor is yours.
So digital transformation is not just about technology. It's a way of thinking and operating. And a company can focus on competition, focusing on launching new technologies, developed by innovating around business model. And there are many other different possibilities as well. At Amazon, we have chosen to structure our innovation on the customer, but really obsessively looking at the customer. So it's not just about being around the customer or asking them what they want, but it's deeply understanding how to connect with them, how to empathize with them, with their situation or their context, so that we can actually invent on their behalf. This is how we do that in order to create product, solution, experiences that improves their life. It's what we call day one. So when many companies asked us how they could apply the same mechanism that Amazon has used to create all the different products and services, how they could apply this mechanism to drive their business initiatives, we have then decided to build the Digital Innovation Program, where these companies could apply the same cultural approach, mechanism and structured approach, organizational model, and accelerate the development of their digital solution on the AWS technology.
Business success comes with a customer-centric approach, along with an agile mindset, embedded in the holistic digital strategy. However, customers are not the ending point, they are the starting point of an innovation process. Amazon calls this mechanism working backwards. Please, Giulia, tell us more about it.
So innovation is hard. Once you focus on the customer, how can you create a way of innovation that is focused on the customer but is also distributed, consistent and repeatable? I like to say that innovation is both an art and a science. Leaders in Amazon use some mechanisms to drive innovation in a consistent result. It's a customer-centric way to both create innovative new products but also concretely drive execution. And this mechanism is called working backwards. And this mechanism has tools, mechanism of inspection and adoption. And the core tool of the working backward is the press release, FAQ, and visuals. At Amazon, we build a vision before we start executing a project. A vision of a strategic mission on what is the value that we want to offer to our customers. We dive deep on who's the customer, what is the customer problem. We imagine we are already launching the product into the market, writing a fictitious press release of the product in order to understand what is the minimum product that our customer would love, the so-called minimum lovable product. And this helps driving specificity of thought and increasing the possibility that we are building the right thing for our customers at speed and leveraging the AWS technology in the most effective way.
There are several organizations with a willingness to innovate, and many have been able to reinvent themselves. Nowadays, the path calls for a clear vision and a robust program to embrace. I'd love to know, which are some insightful customer success stories coming from the AWS Digital Innovation Program? Giulia, over to you.
So in order to enable our customers in innovation, in addition to providing the technical assets of the AWS technology, we are now supporting them in the acceleration of their digital strategy, applying the working backwards mechanism in the Digital Innovation Program. And already many companies are applying it to create products and services, like Ferrari, Iveco, Il Sole 24 Ore, Edison, Credem, Melia Hotel International, RCS. For example, Scuderia Ferrari has leveraged the Digital Innovation Program to build a digital fan engagement platform via its mobile app to engage hundreds of millions of fans worldwide with exclusive personalized content. Iveco has used the AWS Digital Innovation Program to build Iveco Driver Poll, The new Iveco driver companion that through My Iveco and my community skills enable the driver to bring their digital life on board and interact with their vehicle, the driver community through voice commands via Amazon Alexa, providing a comfortable, safer and stress-free driving experience. This is all powered by AWS machine learning, voice, security and serverless technologies.